Can someone who entered the United States without inspection adjust status? Yes, in some limited situations. Alexandra Lopez, immigration attorney here, and I wanted to talk about the times when someone who entered without inspection may be eligible to adjust status in the United States. And the first is if they are protected under 245I, meaning somebody essentially petitioned for them prior to 2001. Sometimes it's not directly. In other words, it could be that you were included, for example, as you were listed as a minor on your mom's petition, like your aunt petitioned for your mom and you were at that time listed on that application. You were not necessarily the direct beneficiary. Nonetheless, you can use that for 245I protection to adjust status in the U.S. now. Second is parole in place, specifically military parole in place. If you have an immediate family member who is or was active duty military, you can essentially use that to forgive your entry without inspection, assuming you have no other bars, and you're not permanently barred, right? But it'll essentially forgive one stay of unlawful presence. Same with 245I, right? Of course, if you have DACA, you could travel with advanced parole, or if you have TPS, you could travel with advanced parole, and then you have that entry with inspection. So that's a third option. Fourth, any humanitarian grant. So if you are granted asylum, if you are granted VAWA protection, if you are granted a U visa, then eventually you will be able to adjust in the United States if the only thing barring you from adjustment is that entry without inspection. So those are some ways someone may be eligible to adjust status without leaving the United States, even if they had an entry without inspection.